It's a pretty remarkable bit of filmmaking, to be honest.
Once you cut Kupo off, you cut me off.
You used to say that.
I didn't hear from you for months. Like, you just vanished.
There was so much of the history and the relationships that I didn't know, and there was so much, I'm sorry to say it, there was so much to you and Alex that I didn't know.
To know that, like, yes, you are trying to please these 700-800 plus people, but like us three, me, Glenn, and Rael, we're like right there all the time.
First of all, it was not a doggone documentary. That was a movie.
But it's really special, isn't it? Because you have your Kupo family, but then you have your actual blood family. To bring them into it was really, really special. It was really special.